Sonam Yangchun called on the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat. Secretary JAD Ladakh, Michael D'Souza, Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev, Director Health and Medical Education Dr. Motup Darje were present in the meeting. Yangchun informed the HLD that her husband is suffering from chronic kidney disease and both his kidneys have failed and is currently receiving treatment at SNM Hospital Leh. She also informed that her father is suffering from colon cancer. She requested financial assistance in this regard. LG directed Director Health and Medical Education Ladakh Dr. Motup Dorje to examine the case and coordinate with AIIMS Delhi for further treatment and operation for kidney transplant. In a heartfelt gesture to honor and support the ex-servicemen of the region, a free medical camp was organized at Chickton by the Forever in Operations Division. The camp aimed to provide essential healthcare services to the brave individuals who have selflessly served the nation as well as to civilians and their families. The democratic representation and decision-making powers of the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Councils have been retained following the formation of the UT of Ladakh in 2019, the government informed Parliament. These LHDCs continue to exercise executive powers over different subjects within their respective districts. The government also said in response to a query regarding the extension of tribal area status to the Union Territory, the LHDCs in Leh and Kargil function as district planning and development boards and prepare plans for different programs and policies. The Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev convened a meeting with HOD of different departments to celebrate the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign at a conference hall of DC office. During the meeting, DC Leh briefed about preparedness of different activities such as Tiranga Yatra, Tiranga Run, Tiranga Concert, Tiranga Pledge, Tiranga Selfie, Tiranga Mela, Tiranga Tribute, Tiranga Canvas by various departments starting from 9th August. He further directed Culture Department and NRLM to emphasize on the sale of Indian flags to all the offices. Director College Affairs University of Ladakh Professor Tashi today visited Sanku campus, Government Degree College Kargil for an interactive session with the students and faculty members in the seminar hall of the campus. The program commenced with the formal welcome of the guests with traditional khataks presented by Dr. Salim Ahmed, Nodal Officer Sanku campus. Delegation from Shagar Yokma Zanskar led by Sonam Dawa called on the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat. Secretary PDD Vikram Malik, Secretary PWD Michael D'Souza and others were present in the meeting. Dawa informed the LG regarding the issues faced by the people of Shagar Yokma area in Zanskar due to the installation of transmission towers for the Dras Zanskar transmission line on their ancestral agricultural land instead of the available barren list.